the final presentation with respect to the technical seminar, 8th semester, that is 2020-21 even semester, final technical seminar. So Harsha, now you can proceed with your presentation.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So my name is Sri Harsha from Rao Bahadur Vai Mahabaleshwarappa Engineering College, Department of CSE. Under the guidance of Naveen Kumar B, I am presenting the seminar. Today's topic is Voice User Interface. So these are the contents for today's seminar. Abstract, 3Ws, how VUI works, technology used to create VUI, comparison between Siri and Google Assistant, pros and cons, conclusion, references. So this is abstract. A voice user interface makes words spoken by human interacts with computers using speech recognition. This makes easy for the humans to interact with the voice user interface irrespective of the work they are doing. A voice command device is a device controlled with a voice user interface. So it is a device which is controlled by the voice user interface spoken by the human. Voice interaction has become a feature in many commercial devices such as mobile phones and tablets. Voice interaction has become a feature in many commercial devices such as mobile phones, tablets, as well as in the laptops, computers. Also, we have voice user interface. For example, Cortana in Windows and the Siri in Apple and Google Assistant in the mobiles, Android devices. So next we have 3Ws. 3Ws resembles what, why, and where. So first one is what. What is voice user interface? Voice user interface allows the user to interact with the system through voice or speech commands. So this allows the user to interact with the system through the voice spoken by the human according to his requirements. He will be giving commands to the voice user interface. Based on that will be giving the outputs according to the requirements of the user. And then voice user interface uses automated speech recognition, that is ASR, is the engine that drives today's voice user interface systems. Automated speech recognition is the engine inside the voice user interface that drives today's voice user interface systems. It is so advanced that it can predict what you want to say. It can correct errors of misspeech or grammatical errors for you. So for example, if we open the Amazon, we'll get what we'll be seeing in the last browsing. So this also resembles if we speak some grammatical error mistakes, so it will correct us. So this helps a lot for the humans. Why VUI is used? VUI makes spoken human interaction. VUI makes spoken human interaction with computers possible, using speech recognition to understand spoken commands and answer questions, and typically text to speech to play a reply. So this makes human interaction with the computers, with the mobiles, as well as with the tabs possible, using the speech recognition spoken by the human. According to its requirements, it will give a reply, immediate reply for the human, irrespective of the work he's doing, and he can concentrate. He can do multitasking. He can do one work at the same time, and he can give the commands to the voice user interface. It will give the required output. The primary advantages of VUI is that it allows a hands-free way in which users can interact with the product while focusing their attention elsewhere. So multitasking comes into picture. So the human being can do multitasking simultaneously, concentrating on other work, as well as giving commands to the Google Assistant or Siri or Cortana, and the work will be done. So the so the next comes, where is voice user interface is used. Voice user interface have been added to automobiles, home automation systems, computer operating systems, home appliances. So nowadays we have voice user interface in the cars also. For example, in Tesla we have voice user interfaces in automation systems, in computer operating systems, in desktops, and in smart home devices also we have voice user interface. They are primary way of interacting with virtual assistants on smartphones and smart speakers. Older interactive voice response systems can respond to the pressing of keypad buttons, but those with full voice user interface allow callers to speak requests and response without having to press any buttons. Olden days will we are having only if we press the keys, the process will be done. Nowadays, if we just tell to the Google Assistant or Siri or Cortana, the work will be done. So next we have how VUI works. How VUI works is that first is the intent of the user is very important. Intent is nothing but the purpose of the user, and then it detects the purpose of the user, what the user is telling. According to that requirement, the purpose will be intent processing is done. That is, purpose is processed in the Google Assistant or Cortana or Siri, and then it gives a required output according to the command given by the user. So what is the technology used to create voice user interface? A range of artificial intelligence technologies are used to create voice user interface, including automatic speech recognition, that is ASR, name entity recognition, NER, and speech synthesis. Automatic speech recognition is a technology used to analyze and process human speech into text. So for example, in the command get directions to New York City, New York City is recognized as the location. In addition to that, NER locates entities and semi-structured text that can be a person, a subject, or something specific as a specific term. NER, that is name entity recognition, is used to classify words as their underlying entity, often takes surrounding text or words to determine the value of the entity. So speech synthesis produces artificial human voice and speech using input text. Voice user interface does the job in 3 stages. The stages are input, processing, and output. So next we have comparison between Siri and Google Assistant. So Apple Siri and Google Assistants for all the Android devices, and Apple Siri is for all the Apple ecosystem devices. So Apple Siri is available through all iOS and Mac devices. Assistant is available for all the Android devices, and it is also available on iOS. So Siri supports for 17 languages, and Google Assistant support for 30 languages. So Apple Siri, if you use Apple Siri, it is best at directions, giving directions in even the ruralist areas of the country. So Google's Assistant is best at alerts. Traffic alert, that is, it gives alerts using red, green, and yellow. Not quite as much as smart home compatibility as Google Assistant. Siri is not compatible with all the smart home devices that are in the market, and extensive support for almost every smart home gadget. Google Assistant gives support for all the smart home devices that are in the market, and Google Assistant works with more than 5,000 smart home devices. Siri is limited to Apple's ecosystem, that is iPhone, Apple TV, iPad, Apple Watch, and all the Apple devices. So next we have pros and cons. So pros is nothing but it helps in multitasking. It is hands-free. It helps you save time, suitable for physically handicapped. Multitasking is nothing but we can do more than 2 works at the same time. Giving commands to the Google Assistant of Siri will get the work done, and it is hands-free. It is no compulsory that we have to carry the device in hand. We have to give the command to the assistant or Siri. It helps you save time. We can multitask at the same time. We can do other work, and we can give commands according to our requirements. So the output will be given by the assistant based on the purpose of the user. It is suitable for physically handicapped. So if any human is handicapped, he can just give his voice to the assistant. The output will be given by the assistant. So cons: read email messages allowed. Here comes the privacy concerns. So we have to be careful with respect to the VUI. Requires a lot of mental work and privacy concerns. So privacy is the main feature for the VUI. So we have to be careful with respect to privacy when we are using voice user interface. So this is the conclusion for voice user interface. Voice user interface design is a promising brand new field which provides solutions through voice control. With voice user interface and graphical user interface combined, human-machine interaction can be enhanced and streamlined using input via facial expressions, gestures, and audio. So these are the references used while creating the PPT of the seminar. Thank you.
Okay, Harsha. Your presentation was good. Rohit and Sai Kiran, do you have any clarification query with respect to Harsha's presentation?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Then I'll wind up the session. The next link will be generated for Rohit. Okay, so I will end the session. So
Yes, sir.
please leave the session. Once again, I'll send a fresh new link. You can join for that link. Okay, you people leave the
Okay.
class.
Okay,
You
sir.
will leave the session.